Hello, I'm David Sibbett, the co-director of the GLEN, and I've made a little video to help you navigate through the GLEN website. And I just want to show you directly, using a screen capture program, how you can get full access to what's happening here. Here we are on the home page of the GLEN, which you get to at glen.grove.com. And if you remember, your picture will show up in the upper right hand corner, and clicking on that picture will give you a little menu where you can go to your profile, change your photo, edit it, and also find out about what active areas that you are working in, if you've had messages or notifications. If you're not a member, it will show up blank, and there will be a little join button, and you can click on the join button, and this button here also works, and it will take you to a page that will tell you everything about how to join the GLEN. And down at the bottom there's an application request, and then it comes in. So if you're a member, you will see you will have access to learning journeys, exchanges, collaborations, and the network functions of the GLEN. If you are not a member, you will also have the ability to see some of these at a top level. On the home page itself, there are a series of tiles that have pictures that link to these three main areas of the GLEN. There's also a little map to where some of the members are located, and also down at the bottom are blogs by some of the GLEN members that are updated from their blogs. If you click on these, you will go to their blog sites. The About section has a drop-down menu, and the drop-down menu includes a page, What is the GLEN, which I'm on now, something about the GLEN ecosystem, member benefits, questions being explored, origins, and news. The news is where we update things frequently. There's a short video by Gisela and myself talking about GLEN member benefits. Here are some of the GLEN founders listed, what distinguishes the network. I won't go over all of these now, but you can have fun looking through. Learning journeys are our online courses in a way. We're being more informal than a regular courseware site. These are places where members are sharing what they know about these 5 areas that we're looking at. So we're focusing on personal leadership transformation, team development, visual and virtual facilitation, organization strategy and evolution, and social change. When you're in one of these sites and you're a member, you'll be able to drill down and see some things. So here under facilitation, we have a couple that we're developing. There's a little video about the work I've been doing in Second Life. We're going to be having quite a bit of information on facilitating virtual meetings and sharing a lot of work Rachel Smith's been doing. And working with large format graphic displays, we have some content in here. When you click on on these topics, you get into a learning journey. And the learning journey has various pathways on the journey. In this particular case, Malgosia Kosteka has created a pathway that are video tours of the 7 basic formats. So you click on one of these learning steps. She's done a graphic overview, and then there is a video that explains how this works. And the learning journeys are going to be elaborated on as we move forward. The exchanges that the GLEN is running are reached by clicking on exchanges, and the ones that are being featured and are most active have a tile and a description and an image. There's 6 right now that are up and running. and clicking on any one of these will take you to that exchange. If you click on it, it goes into a landing page where the intention of the exchange is described, the leaders of the exchange, questions that it will be exploring, the design of it, and some of the other details. And over here it shows the people who've registered. So if you click on that and you're a member and there's no fee involved if it's open, you can register. In this particular case, this is a paid-for exchange for non-members, but members can get a coupon and get in for free. So all the collaborations, if we go back to the top level, that are not, all of the exchanges that are not in the tiles are also listed down below. And for the moment, we've been keeping the older exchanges that are already done down at the bottom as kind of an archival system. We will be having an archive area eventually. Collaborations take you to the projects that are ongoing, where GLEN members have been collaborating to do different things. So Rachel and some people in the Netherlands and Singapore have been working on a visual facilitation field guide, and just finished a book sprint. And the women of the GLEN are forming, leading a sacred practice. People who've gone to that conference are having an online ongoing sharing through the GLEN. Applying neuroscience and design thinking is one. The Met Council program that Gisela and I are running for a year uses the GLEN website. The Cebu Farmers Market. When you click on one of these, I'll just take you in to this one, the Visual Facilitation Field Guide. You again get a landing page, and if it's an open exchange, you'll be able to see it, any member. If it's a closed exchange, you will need to be a member to kind of see this. And you ask us, can we sign you up? So there's a full description of what that is, the project status, and then here are the project stages. And under the project stages, you can go in and you can see content relating. So in this case, in the book sprint, they put in information about what the authors can contribute to the book, and also what the agreements are and other kinds of things like that. When you click on the network area, you can see member profiles in kind of a thumbnail version. And if you click on any one of these, say Emmy Lenzo, you will go to her profile. You can friend people through this, and just like a regular social networking site. Your account area takes you back to your profile of your own profile, and you can work on things there. So this is the navigation to the GLEN website, and I hope that helps you.